Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. This time it is Euro USD. So before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here, which is currently 1:05 p.m. Thursday, 4th of June 2026 in EST. Okay, so let's get back to my chart, Euro USD, and done. So new low. So downtrend, pullback, new low, pullback, new low is supposed to form, okay? Or at least we have to go and take down this low. So we're expecting to go short, enter at the current price. So we go short around 1623 and exit around 1589. So how many pips we gonna get? 11 plus 23, I guess 34 pips. So we'll see how it goes once the price touches my black line. Once I book the profit, I mean, I will not enter Euro USD personally because I have entered GBP USD. Okay, so I have entered GBP USD. So I'm just doing the analysis here. So this is gonna come down until this black line. Okay. So that's it. So when this trade reaches my take profit, the black line, I'll come back and record the video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit video. So the pair is Euro USD. Let's check the date and the time quickly here. Refresh. It's 10:32 a.m. Friday, 5th of June 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart. We entered, I don't know where, around 1623 somewhere we entered, maybe here. Okay, so we have touched our black line. Take profit is hit and it's going further down. So that's not my problem anymore. So we have taken our profit, as in I told you that it will hit the black line. So it has happened and we made around 34 pips in this trade, okay? So if you want these setups before they actually happen, then go and check out the first link below maybe, or whatever links are below the video. It will be saying swing like a pro. Go and join that program, okay? And anything else do we have? Not really. So go and help yourself to get into the program and then you can get these setups yourself. Otherwise, just keep watching. Till then, take care.